This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix a Venmo app not working. So guys, this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna provide you multiple solutions in order for you to fix your Venmo application. So first thing that you will do is go to your Google Play Store. And then from here, guys, just use the search button at the top and search for Venmo and tap on the application. And guys, I want you to make sure is that you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now, if this doesn't work, all you have to do now is go to your settings on your device. And then over here, just tap on the apps. And from here, guys, just go ahead and go to Venmo. And once you find it, just tap on it. And then from here, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, guys, you should have a working Venmo app. And now, if any of these doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall the application on your device. So first, uninstall it on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again on your device. And then from there, you should be able to fix your Venmo application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.